Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn UIUA. So starting off from before, match. Checks if two values are exactly the same. Since these arrays aren't exactly the same, so it's going to return 0. If they are exactly the same, it's going to return 1. Couple it combines two arrays together. So as you can see, couple made the first element of this stack and the second element of a stack into a new array. Join is like couple, but instead of join is like couple, but it joins the two arrays end to end. There's take, it takes the first row of the take. So it takes the first two rows of this array and drop. This removes the first two rows of the array. Keeps the array. So now what this means is that it's going to have 0 copies of 4, 1 copy of 5, and 0 copies of 6. We can also extend this to others. So it will have 0 copies of 4, 1 copy of 5, and 7 copies of 6 this time. There's also find. Let me use another example. So it checks if A, B is in the array. A, B appears here and here. So since A, B appears here, it's going to mark where A, B appears. It's 1. It's going to mark where A, B appears with 1. Mask. We put where A, B appears, it puts 1. But since A, B appears here again, it puts 2. If I make A, B appear again, it's going to put 3. This appears 3 times. Next, there's member of. So this checks whether A and B are present inside this string. This includes white space. So 1 for the place that's A or B, and 0 for the place that's not A and B. Picks one element of the array. Reduce applies an operation. So this is going to add all the elements of this array together. So multiply the elements of this array together, etc. Rows applies an operation to each row of an array. So this will add 1 to each row of the array. This is going to apply the range function to each row of the array. Oops, I have to make this a box. can use content. I meant inventory. What inventory does is that first it applies the function to each element of the array, then it boxes the array, so that if the result of this is like an array that contains multiple data types, then it's going to work. Select multiple rows from an array. So this is 1, 2, 2, since 0 is the first element of the array, and these ones represent 2. There's table. So what table plus is going to do is that it will take the first element of the array, then apply to also, it will add 1 to all the elements of this array, so we get 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it will add 2 to all the elements of the array, then 3, then 4, creating a multi-dimensional array. Parse turns a string into a number. And deduplicate. Remove the duplicate elements of the array. Also, if you apply, like for example, if you add a scalar with an array, it will add the scalar to each element of the array. This also works for multi-dimensional arrays. Also, if the arrays have the same shape, then this will add 1 to 5, it will add 2 to 6, it will add 3 to 7, etc. So if I try to add this to this, it's not going to work. So this is because I want to add this to this, then add this to this. So I'll fix the array. So it'll add 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, then add 1, 2, 3, 2, 7, 8, 9. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.